Here, another eBay package. This is speakers again. I'm gonna unbox it right now. So, come on. It's nicely bubble wrapped. Good. Hope anything doesn't rattle on that speaker. It's not that heavy either. It's a small speaker though. It's almost unboxed. Glad there's not much tape on this speaker. So for the moment of truth, I bought another Anchor speaker because it was cheap. It's a 70 watts max. This is a 30 watt speaker. It's the Anchor AM135. It's not the AM135 Plus. This is the older model. It only has a volume control on the back, which isn't convenient, but it's at least an older model. It's not like the worst models they made. The AM135 Plus distorts like crazy. I'm not sure about this one because this one states 109 decibels of clear sound. It sounds like exaggerated. But they're not like the worst speakers you buy. They're made for a reinforcement. It's not like a hi-fi speaker. It's not that, but they actually do sound really good at lower volumes. Like low to mid volumes, it has very good sound quality. The bass is not there, but expect it that it's a 4-inch woofer. It's not like a subwoofer. It's just a mid woofer. It has a 10mm dome tweeter and a bass port in the middle. It doesn't have like the two tiny ports like the AM135 Plus does. This will produce more bass than the AM135 Plus and the newer, or any of the newer models they made. So yeah. Plus, the AM135 Plus does not have like a removable power cord. You plug it like in and like take it off and stuff. It's cool. It has a line in like and line out like the newer ones. A line in like 3.5mm plug. Well, that's 6.35mm or 6.5. I don't know. It's not a bad speaker. I've heard this in person. The bass is alright, but it gets pretty loud and it gets the job done for basic music and reinforcement. Yep. So I'm gonna eventually test this. I probably want to make another video, like very, very soon. Just a bit of scuffing, but overall it came in good condition. Nothing's rattling inside the speaker. Hopefully, they'll sound good and stuff. Thanks for watching.